don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code there, winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amabenzo to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Mackenzie 0. I'm joined by Bito Waka.
Sure, bro.
I'm
Wayisibonga arena vandag mfethu. Ja, besibuke ibhola lamampela.
Sure.
Ja, ay Pirates idlalela ibhola.
Quality.
Ja, quality. Le coach lena ya understand ibhola.
Yes.
I think abantu bathanda ukcomplaina ngeline up. Into abanga understand ukuthi icoach ne coach ama prepare mfethu. Yazi ama player ukuthi ufuna ukudlala ama player kanje. Understand. Yeah, so today I think into bekazama ukuyenza. Bekafuna ukugaya uNdaba iconfidence. And now ngiyamkhuthaza uNdaba angawumoya because ngimbonele beka panic. Amabhola amaningi beka lose. Ubona le ngoba le ntwana lezi zemagesi bezimpress. I understand. So ngicela angapheli umoya. Umufukeng bafethu ayilentwana lena bafethu angazi lentwana ibhola ulincele kuphi ufunde kuphi. Hayi. Lentwana lena ama one touch wayo. Sibari yazi makathi shoot makazo receive ibhola sekayazi ukuthi ulisa kuphi. And most ama player adlala nayo ngesikhathi ima watatazela ubona ngebhola selisenyaweni zakhe. Lentwana lena yakwazi ukuthi anticipate igame. Inama mirror and uyabona movement ya groundini imove all over. Nini ungapha ku right ngapha ku left ngapha use center and any movement ayenzayo udlala ibhola for progressive shuthi ibhola lakhe noma semuva bakalibamba noma shaya two touch yakhe shaya two charge for ukuthi lo muntu azoba receive ibhola akwazi ukumove aye phambili. So yeah no ayilantana lena bafethu yabona masiya ku pre-season abona masiya ku pre-season manje eSpain ngicela bayishiye la ngicela bayishiye la lentwana lena because enye ileague ayideserve ayikho mina for mina except Spain. If kunama negotiation abahluleka something mabazamele lentwana le ngale Spain fit ngoba lena le imnandi bafethu hayi lentwana ithoba fethu akuna ukuthi ungathi yabona nama flop wakhe uyabuya I-rectify ayenze something abe ne-assist. You understand? Big up to Dijon namhlanje ungenile wazibonisa ukuthi uyakwazi ukudlala idisk. 11 yethu kahle nama-substitute we-Pirates mfethu is quality. Is proper quality and I'm grateful for Eden Tuzana. I'm grateful for coach yethu how he plans for the game. And I think abantu ababhayi ngeke be-understand because if uzodlala ne-team efana nemagesi nayo ini-strength zayo. So i-coach ama ipreparela phezu kwe-strength salabantu laba hence afaka i-line-up la ifakile and uyabona bekadlala i-double pivot ngoMakhawula noMbatha because bekangafunda abantu laba babe ne-any play and azange bakhona ukudlala nangapha yithi besiphethe play from the first minute up to the last ne-Chipezeze namhlanje bekathi uzamile le idayila zakhe kodwa azange sisebenza but enyabonge arena begcwele bafethu iwengu uzigcwele lana na konje sidlala nini futhi next week Tuesday angizidlala eAmazulu eDurban but masibuya lana sibuyeni soqalisa iarena and I think lo game mhlawumbe if I'm not mistaken ilentuzana iSundowns so nayo mayifika la kushuthi kumele iqhwale thina sibafake nje lapha ekhoneni kuyibo bodwa babe 20 noma singabazama babe 20 ngathi sithenga amathiti babe 20 bachunga igroup nyana lezabo sibavithiza ngi-understand because sebakhuluma kakhulu and manje then lela viki obviously siyakuphi se-FNB nalapha ngidazi laba ke basibizana i-big team bazabe bagqwele lapha nabo sidile nabo siqede ngabo ileague bafethu noma singathiwa isizini ibasithathanga I don't know but ngiyabonga arena bafethu hey what a beautiful game.
Thank you man. Thank you.